Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5. Today I will teach you the lesson number 7 in social studies, the land of snow. First of all, we shall do these exercises. This one exercise, get set. This first one is PUFFIN, puffin. Second one is REINDEER, reindeer. Third one is Arctic wolf, ARCTIC, Arctic, WOLF, wolf. Fourth one is walrus, WALRUS, walrus. Now let us begin the lesson. The regions around the poles are called polar regions. Around the North Pole is the Arctic Ocean. This ocean is surrounded by Asia, Europe, and North America. Around the South Pole is the continent of Antarctica. Greenland. Greenland, the world's largest island, is situated near the North Pole. This country remains under snow and ice throughout the year. The original inhabitants of Greenland are the Inuits. They call their country Kalalit Nunak, which means the land of the people. Location. Greenland is located towards the northeast of North America. More than 2/3 of the island is located north of the Arctic Circle. The Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern islands of Canada. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Land. Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. The island looks white as about 80% of the land is permanently under snow and ice. The average thickness of the ice sheet is about 1,500 meters. The lower layers of this ice sheet may have existed since the last ice age. Huge pieces of ice often break away from the ice sheets and slide down into the sea. These are called icebergs. These blocks of ice look like huge frozen mountains floating in the sea. These are often not visible due to the thick fog. Icebergs are very dangerous for ships that sail through this region. Climate. Greenland has an Arctic type of climate. The winters are long and cold. The sun does not rise for several weeks. The temperature drops below the freezing point and it snows heavily. Extremely cold and chilly winds blow here. Summer is short and cool. The weather is bright and sunny, especially in the coastal areas. Even though there is continuous sunlight for several weeks, it is still very cold. Vegetation. Seeds germinate and plants grow in the summer season. The only plants that grow here are mosses, lichens, grasses, and bushes. Some flowers bloom in spring. Both summer and spring are very short in Greenland. There are no forests here. No crops can grow here due to the cold climate. Wildlife. Only animals with thick furry coats or those which can withstand extreme cold can survive in Greenland. Wolf-like dogs called huskies are used for hunting and for pulling sledges. Now this is the checkpoint given. The original inhabitants of Greenland are called Inuits. An important latitude that passes through Greenland is Arctic Circle. A huge block of ice that floats on water is called an iceberg. A breed of dog that pulls sledges in Greenland, they are called huskies. Now, life of the people. The Inuits, also called Eskimos. Eskimos is the other name of Inuits, came to Greenland from North America and settled here many years ago. Over time, they have adapted themselves to the harsh climate. The Inuits are short and stout. They have flat faces, narrow eyes, and copper yellow skin. They wear clothes made from the skins of seals. Their jackets, called parkas, have hoods to cover their heads. They generally wear double trousers and high boots, also made of seal skin, to keep themselves warm. They wear double trousers and high boots made of seal skin to keep themselves warm because there is very cold there. The people who live in the extreme north build snow houses or igloos. Where do they live? They live in igloos during the winter seasons. They use large blocks of ice to construct them. The igloos are dome shaped. A hole is made in the center of the dome to allow smoke and hot air to pass through. The floor is covered with skins and furs of animals. During summers, people live in tents made of animal hide. These are called taupiks. In recent years, people have started living in modern houses. The Inuits are hardworking, cheerful, and hospitable people. For hundreds of years, they lived by hunting, fishing, and gathering roots during summer and spring. In the past, they got most of the things they needed by hunting animals. Nowadays, they can buy goods brought in from other countries. So, they have the connection of other countries also now. Occupation. Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters. They hunt animals for their meat, skin, and fat. Earlier, they used harpoons to hunt animals. They use automatic rifles now. The Inuits use small boats called kayaks to hunt sea animals. A broader boat called umak is used to hunt whales. These boats are also used for transportation. On land, Inuits use sledges. The lifestyle of the Inuits has undergone many changes in recent times. Now they use motorboats and motorized sledges. Many people also work in mines and oil fields. A large number of Inuits have migrated to towns and cities. The thick sheet of ice has restricted settlements to the coastal areas. There are very few large towns in Greenland. Nuuk or Gothab is the capital and the largest city. Sisimiut and Ilulissat are the other big cities. The total population of Greenland is about 56,000. So children, thank you and have a nice day.